This is a true story. In 1998, an entire town in New Mexico began hearing a low, endless hum, a sound no one could trace, but no one could escape. It started as a faint vibration at night. People said it felt like something alive, pulsing beneath the ground. Dogs refused to sleep. Birds vanished from the trees. Officials called it tinnitus. Local news blamed power lines. But then, residents began disappearing, one by one, leaving their radios still tuned to dead air. A man recording the sound caught something else. A whisper inside the frequency. A voice repeating coordinates. Military coordinates. The next day, his house was sealed off. Government vans rolled in before sunrise. No one saw him again. Every copy of that tape, confiscated. But here's the part they never explained. After the town was relocated, the hum didn't stop. It moved. And now, people in 5 different states are hearing it again. If you listen closely tonight, you might too.